Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful slide animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. You will see that this is look like atmosphere which have surrounded around the tree, and you look also this title and this icon how to make this in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video to the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me go to a new slide, insert a blank slide. Now let me go to insert, go to a picture. Let me go to this device. I have already downloaded a picture from Google Chrome. You will also download. Let me click here and let me add this picture from here. Now when I have drag it here, this is going outside from slide. Let's make it crop from here. Go to aspect ratio, make it 16:9. Now click outside. Now this is perfect, and drag it and cover the whole slide from this picture. Now let me go to insert tab, go to shape. Let me select oval shape, hold on the shift key and drag it here like this. Now let me go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, let me make it to white fill. Now press the right click of mouse, go to format shape. Let me increase the transparency of this shape like this kind. Now this is perfect. Now let me go to gradient. Let me select two stroke from here like this one, and go to color, go to eyedropper. Let me select a color from here according to your picture. Let's select this color and make this one will be white color. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me select these isotope from here, increase the transparency this kind from here a little bit here like this according to your choice, and this one will be here like this. Now place it here like this, and this one will be here. First you go to make it radial, and from here make it in center. Now this one will be here like this kind. Now this is perfect. Now let me place it here, and this one will be here, and increase the transparency like this kind. Now this is perfect. Now let me go to insert, go to shape. Let me select a preform shape from here. Let me drag it here like this kind. Click here, and also from here. Let me make it this kind. Now select this shape and hold on the control key and this one. Go to merge shape and make it subtract. Now this is perfect. According to your choice, place it here like this kind. Make it duplicate and place it here. Now let me select this one from here and place it here like this, and this one will be here like this, and place it here. Now this is perfect, and let me place it here again. Now this is perfect also. And from here, now let's me go to add some icon from here. Let me select all of this from here and make it copy. Click here, go to insert. Let me go to take a text box and drag it here. Let me paste all icon from here. Go to graphic format, let me make it white color. Now let me go to shape, go to glow. Let me go to glow here and make it this kind, and the color will be white. Decrease the transparency like this kind. Now let me click here and place it here, this one, and place this one here, and this one will be here, and this one will be here, and place it here like this, and this one will be here like this, and select this one and place it here. Now let me select this one from here, make it duplicates, and place it here. No, this is perfect and amazing, and place it here, and this one will be here. Now let me go to insert, go to shape, go to text box, let me drag it here, and let me write here at bold letter title. Now this is perfect. Select the text from here, go to font and change the font into blacks. Make it bold and go to shape format, select the text field from here, white color, go to home again and increase the size a little bit from here and place it here. Now let me make it duplicate from here and place it here like this. Select the text from here, let me write here, add your text here according to your choice. Now this is perfect, and select the alt text from here. Let me decrease the size a little bit like this. Go to sentence and make it to capitalize each word. Now this is perfect, and place it here. Let me a little bit adjust the size from here and select alt text from here a little bit to decrease the size like this kind. Now this is perfect, and place it here. Now this is perfect, and select this one and place it here. Let me make it duplicates again and place it here like this, and select this one. Let me make it duplicates from here and place it here like this. Let me make it again duplicate and place it here. Let me make it again duplicates and place it here like this, and make it again duplicates, place it here, and make it again duplicate and place it here. Now let me select this one and place it here, and select the title from here, make it also duplicate from here and place it here, make it duplicate and place it here, and make it duplicate, place it here, make it duplicate and place it here. Now let me select this one and hold down the control key, this one and this one, make it group from here. Select this one and this one, make it group from here. Select all of this from here, group. Let me select all of this from here, make it group from here. Select all of this from here, make it group, and select all of this from here, make it group. Now let me add some animation from here. First let me select this one and place it here, and this one hold on the control key and make it also group, and select this one, place it here again like this. Now this is perfect and amazing. Click here. Now first let me select this one, go to animation, make it V. Now this is perfect and amazing, and open the animation pane from here. This is perfect. Let me select this one and hold on the control key, this one and this one from here, all of these. Go to animation, let me go to more introspect to make it stretch. Now this is perfect. Click on OK, and let me select this one from here, this one from here and this one from here. Go to effect, let me make it from left. This is perfect, and select this one and this one. Go to effect, let me make it from right. Now this is perfect and amazing, and select all of this from here. Let me select also this one and this one, make it after previous. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me watch the slideshow of this one. This is amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos and presentation. Thank you.